Hey all, welcome back to My Happy Umbrella, and today's video is about toys decluttering and storage ideas. If you guys don't know, I'm a proud mother of 3-year-old boy, and like every other kid's household, our home is also full of toys. I think January is the best time to start decluttering your home because it will give a fresh start to the new year. The first category which I'm going to declutter this year are the toys because this is the one thing which I can see everywhere in the house. I'm in my son's room right now, and let's not waste the time and start decluttering and storage of the toys. Was the situation of the room when I have started decluttering. It was full of new and old toys, and the sight of this much of clutter was totally overwhelming. I have not done the decluttering of toys from last 2 years, so these are the toys which were collected over the time, and there were so many toys for which my son is outgrown. First of all, I cleared this play tent and dismantled it because my son hardly plays with this anymore, and it surely was taking so much of space. Then I sorted all the toys in 3 categories. First, the toys which were broken and cannot be used anymore and should go in trash. Second, the ones which were good in condition but not appropriate for my son and should be given into donations. Third, the one which I wanted to keep. This was the most time-taking task as all those small parts of Legos and different sets were mixed. I wish I could do that in fast forward like it is shown in the video. So these are the ones which are going into trash. These are the ones which I separated to donate. And these are the ones which I'm going to keep. Later on, I discarded more of them which didn't fit in. After that, I have cleaned the space and put this toy organizer which I brought from IKEA. This one is so spacious and perfect for toy storage. These drawers can easily be accessed by kids, which will make the toys more approachable for them. This cabinet is a separate product from these storage bins of different sizes. One can choose that they need more of big bins or small bins according to the requirement. They also have different color options for the pins. This one is available in IKEA India and USA both, and I have added the links in the description box if you want to check that out. I have filled all the bins with different categories of things including play-dohs, colors, etc. To store soft toys, I got this cute bin from the container store. I have added the link of the same in the description box. If you are in India, you can easily get so many of these kind of options on Amazon. The another best thing in this storage cabinet is that one side of this is of size of bedside table, so it can be easily used for that purpose too. And at last, I decorated some of Ivan's toys on the cabinet to give it a cute look. These small storage bins are perfect to store play-dohs, crayons, small characters, puzzle pieces, etc. And the big bins are perfect for big toys. And this is how the whole room looks after decluttering, little cleaning and managing of toys. This is it. This is how I manage the toys for my little one. I hope this will give you some ideas to tame the mess in your house. Please let me know your storage ideas in the comment section. I would love to know them. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family before you leave. I'll see you guys in my next video with something new. Till then, take care and bye-bye.